Hello student, I am Muhammad Ashraf Imam. Today I am Muhammad Ashraf Imam. I am faculty of Jesus and Mary of Geography subject. Student, I welcome to your YouTube channel of Jesus and Mary Academy. Today I will teach Standard 8 Geography second chapter. And second chapter name and topic of second chapter is population. In this chapter I will discuss about population. Size of population, it means about underpopulation, overpopulation. First student, I am going to define what is population. Population is the number of living people that live together the same place. A city's population is number of people living in that city. These are called inhabitants or residents. Usually population refer to the number of humans in certain area. This is the example of population, the definition of population. According now, second definition I am going to tell about the population. Population of an area such as a village or city or country consists of all the people living in that area. A country may have abundant and varied natural resources like minerals, water, and fertile soil. It needs people to utilize these resources. Farmers, miners, workers, and professionals are needed to grow crops, bring out minerals from mines, build roads and houses, and run factories, offices, banks, etc. People who give a country its literature, music, art, culture. It is people who impart education and skills to other people. People are therefore considered to be the most important resource of a country. This resource is known as human resource. Second student, I am going to tell you about size of population. In size of population, I will tell you two types of population. One is overpopulation, second is underpopulation. Overpopulation for a particular area where population is more, then we can talk it is overpopulation. If a particular area where population is less and resources are much, so then we can talk it is a underpopulation. A country needs people, but its resources cannot support an unlimited number of people. Suppose a country with a small amount of resources has a very large population. Obviously, there will not be enough resources for everyone, and people in general will have a poor quality of life. We say that a country has an optimum population if its available resources can provide at least the basic necessities such as food, water, and shelter for all its people. Based on size of population and amount of resources, population is divided into two categories. One is overpopulated or second is underpopulated. So now student, first I am going to tell what according to my view, a country has an optimum population if its available resources can provide at least the basic necessities such as food, water, and shelter for all its people. Based on the size of population and the amount of resources available, most countries of the world are either overpopulated or underpopulated. So, what is overpopulating and overpopulation? Overpopulation is a condition in which the population is so large that the available resources are not enough for all the people to get basic necessities such as food. I am going to give the example of some countries. Pakistan, Bangladesh, Nigeria, and Tanzania are example of overpopulated countries. Overpopulated country, the people's quality of life can improve if population decreases or if more resources can be made available by some means like using better technology. Second student, I am going to tell underpopulation. Population is a condition in which the population is so small and that there are not enough people to utilize the available resources. Like Canada, Australia, Russia, and Namibia are example of underpopulated countries. In an underpopulated countries, more resources can be made available and the quality of life can improve further if the population increases. Generally think that relatively small countries with large population are overpopulated and large countries with a small population are underpopulated. Overpopulation and underpopulation depend not so much on the size of population as on the country resources and the ability of its population to utilize these resources. They depend a lot on the scale, awareness, technical knowledge, health, etc. of the people. As only healthy, educated, skilled people can utilize resources efficiently and contribute the development of their city or country. Next, now I'm going to take impact of population. What is the impact of population? I'm going to tell you impact of population. To live a reasonably comfortable life, we need various resources like food, clean water, homes, jobs, and amenities such as electricity, healthcare, and educational facilities are a few example. An overpopulated country all the people do not have enough of these resources. In overpopulated country, people face a lots of problem of scarcity of jobs, scarcity of clean water, food, and other amenities like electricity, health, and education. There is a joblessness or unemployment, and even many of the working people earn very little. Some people are homeless. In the worst cases, there may be a famine, a severe food shortage. When there is not enough food for everyone, there are people dying of hunger. It means overpopulated area. These type of problem people face, like the unemployment problem is a major problem, food shortage problem is also a clean water problem, even homes problem. In overpopulated countries, resources are consumed faster than they can be produced or replenished because more people and more resources are using faster. There is a depletion of resources such as the fresh water, forest, and minerals. For settlement of for building of houses, forests are being cut, and what resources are decreasing. Population is more. What minerals are used indiscriminately. What is the what types of problem will we face? That is scarcity of minerals. And what is impact of underpopulation? Second, in in an underpopulated country, there are more than enough resources for people to have a good quality of life. There is no unemployment problem but no unemployment problem. But one problem, the people who live in an underpopulated area, that is a shortage of worker. Not enough people to do the all the people available to do any types of work. Generally, food, shelter, healthcare, and education are available to everyone. Goods and services may be expensive as production is low and the cost of hiring worker is high in um, underpopulated area. Many people who leave their own country settle on country settle in an underpopulated country. Underpopulated countries can easily take in more people and support them without lowering in general quality of life. Underpopulated country provide all types of amenities facilities, that electricity facility is available in that area, minerals are available, and food. The people who live in a underpopulated area, they cannot face the scarcity of food. Many underpopulated countries encourage people from outside to come and settle. so that the shortage of labor is reduced and unutilized resources can be put to use. Now, student, I am going to test distribution of population. This is the distribution of population. The distribution of population is not throughout the world. Distribution of population not equally, because we cannot find the all types of resources are not distributed evenly in every parts of the world. Since the population where the resources are available, we find the population is more. Facilities are available, we find the population more. Some areas like Ganga Brahmaputra basin and industrial region of northeastern United States are extremely crowded. Again, some areas like parts of the Sahara Desert and Amazon rainforest are almost uninhabited. It means in we talk about India. In India, northern plains are more populated area because all types of resources are available. The northern plain, we find alluvial soil, and alluvial soil is very fertile soil. Are you understanding, student? And about 47% area northern India is covered with alluvial soil, and this soil is found in northern plains. And northern plain is also known as the Great Plain of India. The distribution of population is influenced by various factors which may be physical or non-physical. Physical factors are determined by nature and cannot be completely controlled by man. Non-physical factors, on the other hand, are products of human activities, and they are also known as human factors. Some of the important physical and non-physical factors I will teach in my next class. So student, please listen this video carefully and make a short note in your fair copy. Have a nice day.